Right now, 0.46% of the active critical patients, they are on ventilator, 2.31% are in ICUs, and 4.51% are on oxygen supported beds. In the last 24 hours, we have lost 780 patients in the country. Our fatality rate fortunately continues to actually come down, and right now it is 1.28%.
आप देख रहे हैं अखबार।
Right now, 0.46% of the active critical patients, they are on ventilator, 2.31% are in ICUs, and 4.51% are on oxygen supported beds. In the last 24 hours, we have lost 780 patients in the country. Our fatality rate fortunately continues to actually come down, and right now it is 1.28%. We are all aware of the vaccination campaign that was launched by our Honorable Prime Minister on 16th of January, which started with the vaccination of the healthcare workers, followed by frontline workers in February, and later on the other priority groups. So just to give you a brief about that, today at 9 o'clock, the latest figures suggest that 9 crore 43 lakh 34,262 doses have been given to people in India of the various priority groups. And in the last 24 hours itself, we have given 36 lakh 91,511 doses. This figure, in fact, in last week we one day even gave 43 lakh doses. This is probably the highest given anywhere in the whole world, and probably better than everyone. As far as our healthcare workers are concerned, over 89 lakhs have got the first dose and over 54 lakhs have got the second dose. As far as the frontline or the field level workers are concerned, over 98 lakhs have got the first dose and 45 lakhs have got the second dose. For those between 45 and 59 years of age, the first dose has been received by over 2 crore 61 lakh people, and the second dose has been received by 5 lakh 23,268 people. Those above 60 years of age, over 3 crore 75 lakh people have received the first dose, and over 13 lakh people have received the second dose. And for receiving all these doses all over the country by the various priority groups, the country has organized 14 lakh 28,500 sessions. Till now, we have exported 6.45 crore doses to 84 countries, and this had happened, in fact, till fortnight back, which includes 1.05 crores to 44 countries as grants, 3.58 crores to 25 countries as commercial contracts, and 1.82 crores to 39 countries through the COVAX facility of WHO. As far as on the testing front, the update is that we have a testing capacity and capability of testing over 13 lakh people in a day, and till now we have tested over 25 crore 71 lakh 98,000 people in the country, And in the last 24 hours itself, we have tested 13 lakh 64,000 people. From a journey which started with 1 lakh, today we have come up to 2,449 labs in the whole country. Lot of people talk about these hospital beds and the isolation beds, ICU and oxygen supported facilities. So let me assure the GOM that all our facilities are quite well maintained. Those even where because of the cases which were declining, they had changed them to normal activities. They are now again being revamped, and we right now have 15,440 dedicated healthcare facilities for COVID, which have more than 18 lakh 52,000 beds in the whole country, along with 12,673 quarantine centers. As we have been informing that all through this campaign, even today itself, whosoever requires any help in terms of medical equipment, ventilators, etc. So we have already delivered 408.49 lakh and 95 masks, 169.51 lakh PPE kits, and almost 37,000 ventilators to the whole country. So the situation today, we are all aware that we are witnessing a surge in COVID cases. This week itself, I had a video conferencing with all the 11 health ministers of the states where the majority of the cases are being contributed from. Yesterday itself, our Honorable Prime Minister had a very detailed meeting with all the chief ministers and the governors and the lieutenant governors of the UTs, and he has given a very detailed guidance and has enthused the whole country. We all know that it's because of the casual approach that has been adopted, unfortunately, by the society, and some sort of laxity everywhere.